Welcome to our exciting tutorial on using augmented reality, or AR, for trade shows. In this video, we're going to explore how AR can enhance the trade show experience for both exhibitors and attendees, making it more engaging and interactive. We'll start by discussing what augmented reality is and how it works. Then, we'll dive into practical applications of AR in trade shows, followed by a step-by-step coding example using a popular AR framework. So, what is augmented reality? AR is a technology that overlays digital information, like images, videos, and sounds, onto the real world, enhancing your perception of reality. Now, let's take a look at some fantastic examples of using AR in trade shows. Imagine stepping into an exhibit and seeing a digital model of the product you're interested in, right before your eyes. This model can rotate, break apart, or even expand with interactive features that bring products to life. Another great application is interactive brochures. Instead of just handing out paper brochures, exhibitors can offer AR experiences that attendees can access by using their phones or AR glasses. When the brochure is scanned, a 3D model or video pops up, providing more information than any paper could convey. Now, let's discuss how AR can also enhance networking opportunities during trade shows. Imagine being able to scan a business card with your phone to immediately see the person's LinkedIn profile, portfolios, or other relevant information. This can make connecting with potential partners and clients more efficient. With that groundwork laid, let's jump into the technical side. We'll be using Vuforia, a popular AR development platform, combined with Unity, a powerful game development engine. First, let's set up our development environment. Start by downloading and installing Unity Hub from the official Unity website. Once installed, create a new project using the 3D template. Once Unity is set up, we need to integrate Vuforia. Go to the Vuforia website and create a developer account if you don't have one. After logging in, create a new license key for your project by navigating to the License Manager. Now, let's integrate this into Unity. In Unity, click on Assets, go to the Import Package option, and select Custom Package. Here you can import the Vuforia package you have downloaded. With Vuforia integrated, let's activate it in our project settings. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Player. Under XR Settings, check the Vuforia Augmented Reality support. Next, let's set up our AR camera. Delete the default camera in the scene and replace it with the AR camera provided in the Vuforia package. You can find it in the Game Object menu under Vuforia. Next, let's add an image target to our scene. Image targets are what the AR will recognize and track. To create an image target, right-click in the hierarchy, select Vuforia, and then Image. Now we need to define the image target. Go back to the Vuforia developer portal and upload the image you want to use as your AR target. After processing, you'll receive a database that you can download. Back in Unity, select the image target you've added in the hierarchy, and in the inspector window, change the database field to the one you just imported. Assign the specific image target to the relevant field. Now that we have our image target set up, let's add a 3D model that will appear when the image is recognized. You can find some free 3D models on sites like Sketchfab or TurboSquid, or create your own using Blender. Position the 3D model within the hierarchy so that it aligns properly with the image target. Adjust the scale and axis accordingly to ensure it looks appropriate when rendered in AR. With the model placed, let's configure the lighting to ensure your AR experience looks great. You might need to adjust the directional light in your scene or add an ambient light. Finally, let's build and run our AR application. Make sure your target device is connected to your computer. Go to File, Build Settings, select Android or iOS, and switch platform. Then hit Build and Run. Once the application is running on your device, point your camera at the image target you set up and watch as your 3D model appears overlaid on the real world. This is AR in action. In conclusion, AR can significantly enhance trade shows. It captures attention, engages customers, and showcases products in a compelling manner. Hopefully, this tutorial has inspired you to integrate AR into your trade show exhibits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments about your favorite AR applications at trade shows.